I'm at the Leti booth with Michel Brouilet, and we are going to talk about what's been going on in the 3D space at Leti. Michel, last year you were announcing or introducing the 3D toolbox.
Yeah.
So what has been added to the toolbox in that time?
Maybe I would say it's added new technologies. The news I would say for today that this toolbox is transferred on 300mm wafers,
Okay.
in order to serve the main market of 3D right now, which is on key players using 300mm wafers.
So what do you have that you can talk about that's outfitting the lab?
I would say we have the classical toolbox for achieving 3D, like TSV, etching, ECD, and PVD also, and all the bonding and alignment capabilities for making actual 3D at wafer level.
What will be happening in the lab?
The idea is manifold, I would say. First is to have this 300mm capability open to external requests in order to have somehow a win-win cooperation between the people who are looking for wafer services or 3D capability in 300mm, and in our case also is to get more insight on the existing and future market for 3D. So in that sense, that opening of the capability will help both of us to expand the 3D in the market.
Would this be where you would foster some common lab agreements with partners who come in and that they can run their processes on the tools, or work with Leti, researchers to?
For the time being, that's done with equipment suppliers, so dedicated equipment suppliers, like Prisoners, for example, have a common lab for probably more than
maybe we could talk about that a little bit. You're part of.
But I mean, more than that, it's not only, I would say, focusing 3D only on I would say bonding or digging holes, the whole story. I mean, some of the technologies will be specific for some applications, so it's really the interplay between the application and the process which is important. So we have this cooperation with equipment supplier or material supplier to let the process progress. But at the same time, we have also to look at what kind of application we have. So that's why our whole 3D program is not only focusing on the process itself, the equipment, the wafer size, but also looking at the EDA tools or the design capability.
I think Leti is really focused on the whole 3D ecosystem and developing the ecosystem simultaneously. Is that
exactly,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
So I would say we started years ago with image sensors. We are moving in the wireless space, and probably will increase that footprint in the future with other domains. Still, I mean, process is important for sure, because depending on the application, if you need a high density TSV, you will have more emphasis on the process, because all the process steps are still not there at a mature level.
You talked about design, and what we haven't heard a lot about is test. Are you doing any work in the test area as part of the whole
that's the part where we are not real present. Part of it is that it's due to the fact that we are using tests, but we are not developing test methods. So in that sense, we have not the internal capability to develop that part. It's clearly the third important part of the ecosystem, I agree with you.
Okay, and will that be something that's addressed by Leti soon then?
We're looking for a partnership, but still, it's too early to have something tangible.
Okay. Thank you very much.